Curtis Harris on Team Megahertz. Got 2 Def Bonds 3012Rs, wired at 1 ohm apiece on 2 Cab 22s. The box me and my buddy Chris Graham built. It's 4.5 cubes, tuned at 28. I got the Def Bonds AP67 ACs in 3 in each door with the tweeters, the Hannibal tweeters, all on a AAB 300x4. 300x4.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What vehicle?
99 Toyota Solara.
And when you have you done an SPL difference yet with the roof?
Yes, I just went and did a run. I did a 150.23 at 28.
Wow. Under 30, that's pretty impressive.
And before that, at Sundown, I did a 149.7 at 33.
Okay. Wow. All right. You happy with it?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Red roof.
Yes, I just did that a couple weeks ago, actually.
Can you tell a difference adding the roof?
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
So, all right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Loading off that window was impressive to see the window pressure that it put on me. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice to see you again, Curtis.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Man. I appreciate it.
It's really low in response too. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, man. You have a good day, Curtis.
You too.